Hi Cancerians, this is your July 2021 career reading and general aspects of your life regarding your career, money making, your studies. I'll be talking about that. So before I start your tarot reading through which I am seeing the energies that are going to come to you, I'm going to read out a card from the Psychic Tarot Oracle deck. It has got one message for you. It's giving indications about your career situation. So the card which has come out for you is movement, choices and decisions. So number 2 card, movement, choices and decisions. This is saying that a time of movement and significant changes and choices must be made. With hard work, great effort, and determination, you have the ability to juggle all the demands that are in front of you. Whether they concern money, business decisions, or other projects, it's important to stay flexible and focused. The more time you take to make these vital decisions and choices, the longer it will be before you can move towards your goals. So you need to have speed of action. That is what this card is saying. And these will be positive changes in the larger scheme. That is what this card is indicating. So let's see what are the first energies. The first energy is of 9 of Pentacles. This means that in this month finally you will feel accomplished. You will feel that you have got the money, the finery, the asset, the wish fulfillment regarding money will take place finally in this month of July. However, by the end of this period, you will feel like the Nine of Wands, that is, feeling victimized, feeling defeated sometimes, feeling you will feel the ups and downs. So you will feel like a victim, but you will not give up. So whatever you will be asked to do, you will do it despite feeling that you are getting wounded in the process or getting disturbed in the process, but you are not going to give up. So this not giving up energy is there. These 9 energies also indicate that something will be completed in this period, in this month of July. So you will be completing some project, you will be completing some tenure somewhere. New roles are going to come in, or new situations are going to develop in your career situation, or studies, or whatever you do to make your money earning. You will be in final stages of one and getting into a new opportunity or a new beginning. So what's happening is some of you are not you will feel in this month that what you have dreamed of regarding your goal or ambition, you are not able to fulfill that. However, angels are saying that you will not give up, and by the end of it, by the end of the month, you will feel accomplished. But in the middle of the month, you will feel that something is elusive. The Page of Pentacles in reverse sometimes shows that things are not going the way you want them to go. So there can be disturbances, there can be problem, there can be ideas which cannot be which cannot become executable or practical. So the ideas that you are thinking might not be working in the middle of the month, so you will feel a bit disturbed about it. Some of you will be seeing this 8 of Cups, that is trying to get out of a certain circumstance, leaving a certain job or leaving a certain project and going towards something else. However, I see the not giving up card, but you will have this tendency of even abandoning your success even after completion. You will feel that this job is not good enough and you have to leave this, circumstance. So emotionally, in your work sector, you will not be fulfilled, so you would look for a higher goal. So that is what I am seeing. As you go forward in the month of July, I am seeing the Ace of Wands coming up. Ace of Wands is a new idea. Ace of Wands is, energy coming into your livelihood sector, energy coming in, idea coming in, inspiration coming in, a kind of opportunity coming in for you, which will be unfurling slowly in front of you, and you will think that this will give you a growth in your career. So that kind of new energy is going to be injected in this month of July. Also, I am seeing that some of you will take the leap of faith. Some of you will, with the 8 of Cups, you will move on from a certain long trending situation and go towards something new. Take a calculated risk regarding your money. Some of you will be just jumping into some new work, some new initiative. So leap of faith is being seen. This means this has the power of giving your career a drive of 0 to infinity. So the possibilities are immense, but angels ask you to be guided in this matter. Not take the leap of faith without thinking or planning, because there is a chance of Page of Pentacles, that is the idea might not get into fruition, or the idea might not be practical. So you have to think of the leap with a sustainable idea. That is what angels are saying. So the outcome is Knight of Cups. Knight of Cups is creative solutions. Knight of Cups means putting emotions or feeling into your work. So you will be in a this is your own card. This is your Cancerian card of Knight of Cups. This is a person who brings in inspiration, who brings in talents, who brings in creative solutions regarding problems in their career. So you will be planning, you will be progressing with emotional confidence in the month of July. You will also find solutions to your problems. And Four of Swords is saying that there could be a period of break in between, wherein this period of break will be fruitful, wherein you will think of solutions. You will think of a future plan to execute the things you want to do with your talents and your wisdom. That is what I am seeing. The angels are saying that you will get your 10 of Cup, you will get your 10 of Pentacles. That is long term growth, establishment in your job, or some avenue of livelihood in life, which can take you towards your fulfillment in money. So 9 of Pentacles and 10 of Pentacles is showing that stability is on the cards. Stability will come to you. You just need to work with your feeling, get fully into something. Think of creative solutions with your natural talents. That is what angels are saying. And also, when you take a leap of faith, when you change a job, or when you get out of a certain service to go into another thing, maybe a business for some of you, you have to be very, very careful, and you have to be guided in this and think of creative solutions. That is what angels are saying. So let us see what is the Lenormand card saying. Lenormand card which has come out for you is number 15, and it is the Bear card. The Bear card is saying there could be a personality clash in your work environment. So be careful of that. Confrontation might happen, for which mediation can take place. That is the original advice. Regarding success, it is saying that lack of collaboration from perfectionist colleagues and grumblers. There can be these kind of people in your work environment. You might have suffered a transfer and stressful change of role, which is blocking your path. And success, however, will be obtained despite high risks. So success with the Fool card can happen, but the risks are high. That is what angels are saying. Regarding money, it is saying that expenses will exceed your income. Bills and installments for durable goods can take place. Expenditure for house or furniture can take place. An invitation or business situation will cost you money. So, obligatory expenses will take place. You risk being overdrawn due to your inability to save and keep any capital, so there can be problems in repaying debts. So there can be these kind of situations for some of you, not for all of you. So basically it's a mixed month for you, but a success situation is on the cards with the 10 of pentacles and the 9 of pentacles. So 10 of pentacles means completion of something with long term asset making. 9 of pentacles means enjoying the fruits of labor which you have earned through a period of time, and it will be fulfilling. It will be fulfilling. So that's it from my side regarding your career and general livelihood situation. If you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, if you want to know about your career in depth, you can contact me for a online session which I give via phone, via video calls. So you can contact me for such a reading. These are paid readings, so prepare yourself and think about this as a service which will be given to you to see your and plan your future. So that's it from my side. Bye bye.